Hello and welcome. To add or remove login items, click on the Apple icon in the menu bar and choose System Preferences. On the window that opens, click on the Users and Groups icon. Now, on the left panel, choose your user account and then on the right side, select the Login Items tab. There are already 3 login items, a folder, an app, and a document listed. These items automatically open every time I log into my Mac. To add one, click on the plus button below the Login Items panel. Browse to find your item, select it, and then click Add. To remove an item, select it, and then click on the minus button. Please like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials and tips, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.